So you kindly put light on the criteria of the interpretation of the Holy Quran, of choosing whether the meaning is to be taken metaphorical or literal.
Do you know? Please try to understand. And
yes, I will read it, Hazur. He said, Hazur, could you kindly put light on the criteria of interpretation of the Holy Quran, of choosing whether the meaning is to be taken as metaphorical or literal?
This is a generalized question which has to be answered when definite examples are presented. The only generalized answer would be that deal these situations according to the context. And the context of the Holy Quran always clarifies the subject and throws light on the correct meaning. There is no exception to this rule. Yashuddu ba'dahu ba'da. Part of the Holy Quran always supports the other part of the Holy Quran. It happens in two ways. Number one, another verse somewhere else clarifies the issues which, according to some readers, remain unclarified, according to some readers, because they did not concentrate upon the preceding verses and the following verses enough. So, if they had concentrated, they would find no complication anywhere. If they fail to do so, other verses from somewhere else will throw light on the same subject in a manner that they will, if they are sensible people, naturally it's expected, then they will not be able to miss the point. It will be made manifestly clear. Is this what you wanted to learn about? Right.